might even affect
So they're rating, I guess. Marcus Motorhome. That's Mark Assistant.
If the riders fall, they can come here.
Susie Perry. That's Brad Brinda.
In the back of the garages, you've got the
Diogo Moreira. It's Martin. Martin.
We're going to continue up this way.
It's Marquez.
MotoGP and MotoGP.
Pecco. Hello, Mark. They look like robots, don't they? Alex.
Difficult for me to say what I'm feeling, so thank you.
He'll get that moment to take to bed.
Yeah, not necessarily these types of
They don't really drift.